In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add star rating in Wix. If you want visitors to quickly share feedback or rate a product, service, or post, adding a star rating is a simple way to do it. We'll walk through it inside Wix Studio so you can place a clean, responsive rating component right on your page without any code. Start by opening Wix Studio. This is where you manage and design your site. When you land on your dashboard, choose the site you want to work on and click Edit Site. Give the editor a moment to load. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your site's canvas with the left-hand toolbar and the layers and design controls. Once you're on your site, it's time to add the rating element. Look to the left toolbar and open Add Elements, the button with a plus icon. This panel holds everything from text and images to interactive widgets. Scroll to the Input category and click it. Input is where Wix keeps interactive items that accept visitor input like forms, sliders, and our rating component. Inside Input, click Ratings. You'll see a collection of ready-made rating styles. From here, you can choose the layout that best matches your design. Some options are minimal star rows, while others pair stars with labels or show the average rating visually. Pick the one that suits your brand's look and the type of feedback you want to collect. If you're not sure, choose a simple star row. You can refine the details in a moment. Now drag your chosen rating onto your page. Drop it where it makes the most sense, such as near a product description, below a testimonial block, or at the end of a blog post. Use the alignment guides to keep it tidy and resize it if needed, so the stars are easy to tap on mobile. With the elements selected, explore the design and settings panels to adjust colors, hover states, and star size so it stands out while still fitting your site's style. You can usually set the number of stars, spacing, and any accompanying text to give visitors clarity on what they're rating. A few quick tips as you finalize placement. Keep sufficient contrast so the stars are readable. Avoid crowding it with other buttons to prevent accidental taps, and check it across breakpoints so it looks consistent on desktop, tablet, and mobile. If you plan to collect and analyze ratings, make sure your site's setup supports saving that input based on your needs. And that's it. Your star rating is now part of your page and ready for visitor interaction.